Hernan Olton Environmental Sci-Tech Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise integrating technology, production, sales, and service with more than 38 years of history. The machine we show you is our continuous rotary charcoal carbonization furnace. Features of this furnace: reasonable design, easy operation, durable, good quality finished charcoal, and high daily output. The raw materials can be sawdust, wood chips, rice husk, coconut shell, coffee shell, palm shell, peanut shell, bamboo chips, corn stalk, sugarcane bagasse, etc. Biomass materials. The equipment consists of 15 parts: quantitative feeding conveyor, forced feeder, main carbonization furnace body, fan with air distribution, gasification furnace, ignition burner, ignition and alarm control system, electric control cabinet, cooling conveyor, main machine with insulation layer, dust and smoke removal purification system, purification fan, smoke gas recycle system, evaporation tower, cooling tower, purification pool. Working principle: gasifier. Liquefied gas or natural gas is used to preheat the furnace. Feed materials when the temperature rises to 300 degrees. Materials are being anaerobic pyrolysis inside the furnace. Materials being dried, pyrolysis to produce flue gas, after complete purification system. Sprayed, condensation, and purified, clean gas returned to furnace for continuously heating. Shut gasifier till the furnace produces stable flue gas. The carbonized material will be discharged from cooling tube.